Divyanshu. I am from AIML section X, and this is my program, which is task scheduling system. The goal was to use units which we have covered in earlier, like structures, structs, array, pointer, variable, control, flow, pass by reference, string allowing, and graphics. So let's see our program. Here I have declared three libraries, which includes SplashKit, CStudio, and CString. So when we compile our code, clang plus plus. So this is the name of my file, which where I have written the code. And so when we run it, here we can see that the tasks are loaded successfully, and the task scheduling system's name is written here. And I have I have declared functions like we can see that I have declared functions which are five functions which are load task, that loaded where the write and we write task loaded successfully, and the save task, add task, view task, edit and delete task. So if we want to add a task, like we will write option number one, and the title which will be write as at 102, and description which is programming, and then enter a deadline, like if we want to do the task in particular time, particular date. So we will enter a deadline, like today date is 12th, so we will write 12th December 2025, and enter priority, like we want to add that particular task to a level which we have to save that task in that level. So we will write it high, where we have three options which are high, medium and low. So we'll set up to high, and the task is added successfully. And if we go to add task, the task is added successfully. And if and in the function, where I have used this if statement, where if the count is greater than equal to max task is the constant global variable, which is total 50. So we can store 50 tasks. So if the count is greater than 50, greater than equal to 50, so the right line will write task limit reached. And if we go to view task, a graphic window will appear. Here we can see that. So the graphic window will tell us the task number, and its name, description, which is programming, deadline, and the priority, which is high. And if we want to close that, we will simply press escape button to close the window. And if we go to view task, and if the count is zero, like no tasks are there, like if we firstly, then we will firstly discuss about the edit task. Then here is third number option which we have to edit the task, like we have only option number one, so we will edit that. And a new title, so we are editing. So here the program will telling us which task are we editing. So the task is at SIT 102. The new title will be SIT 192, and new description which is maths, and a new deadline, like tomorrow's date 13th December 2025, and a new priority medium. We have three options, high, medium and low, and the task is updated. So if we go to edit task, so the task is updated. And if we want to delete that task, like we want to delete that task, so we will get to an option number fourth, which is delete task. And the task list will be appear, so the we can see the which task have we saved earlier. So we will simply delete the task number one. So the task is deleted successfully. And if we go to delete task, the task is deleted successfully, right, and we write. And if we want to view task, like here we can see that the task, there is no task to show, add from the menu, and we will simply press escape button. And if we go to view task, And when the count is zero, like we haven't saved any task earlier, so the right line we write no task to show. Here we can see that the no task to show. And this is all about my program. And the fifth option is save and exit. So save and exit. So the task saved successfully. Exiting program. Goodbye. So this is all about my program. Thank you.